Everyone's talking about me. And me too.
Me too.
You want to watch TV? Bonanza's on.
I love Lucy. I love Miss Kitty.
And the Munsters.
I watch Dragnet.
Star Trek.
Don't you ever watch The Untouchables?
How about Elizabeth Montgomery and Samantha and Bewitched?
I feel like Superman. And they call me Superman.
I think it's time that you and I had a little talk about the facts of life.
Give me a break.
What are you watching now, Joe?
Hogan's Heroes.
Yeah. The honeymooners.
It's about time for the Green Hornet.
We also enjoy I, Nick, Lucy.
You know, I've been thinking about shows like Burns and Allen.
That was the last piece. I had that scheduled for Gunsmoke.
Patty Duke as both Patty and the Minuet Love and Kathy.
Green Acres.
The Beverly Hillbillies.
Black gold. Texas tea.
Why do I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone?
Everyone is talking about me.
It is a total classic. You're gonna love it.
Me TV and Me Too.
Clank.